Hey guys, welcome to our pond restoration project. Believe it or not, but this is actually the state of what our pond looked like before we got Johnny to rip it all up for us. From a distance, you couldn't even tell that this overgrown section of our lawn actually had a pond in it. Watch Johnny do his magic.
Root hubs, they have roots that are that thick.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Going between them.
So you just break it all up and then you try to shove it in there?
Yeah, break it all up into pieces as much as I can.
Yeah.
With each, like, all that is just blobs.
Yeah.
Here it gets deeper, so this is going to be more complicated again. Once in a while, stick the point of this thing in there.
Yeah.
And I can pull one out.
Yeah. It's going to be a task, but I bet you can get this cleaned out today.
Today yet?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
The thing is, like, I'm wondering if this is the bigger half,
Yeah.
or that's the bigger half.
I know. It's hard to tell. I'm wondering if there's any other tool that would help you. Just the sheer volume and the weight, you know? Oh, wow. That must be a good one.
Yeah, that one's pretty good. I took one out that was like that big. That thing weighed like 60 pounds. It was crazy. But, I don't know, there's really no better way to do it.
See, at least when you work on the ruins project, I feel like you can do the majority of it with machinery.
Yeah.
You know?
That's the nice part about it. This is all...
Oh, this is all hard labor. Look at that. That's huge. Well, you're gonna sleep well tonight.
What?
You're gonna sleep well tonight.
Yeah?
Oh my god, it's like the frickin' jungle.
Let's go.